To specify a form's dimensions inside of Popcorn CRM is really easy. All you need to do is to obviously go into the Nurture and Forms section, and assuming you've already created a form, you can see one has been done here. All we've got to do is click on the copy button here, and this pops up the shortcode settings. So here we can adjust the form height and the form width. As we update those, it'll update this code. Simply copy that and then paste that into your website, and you'll get the form of that specific size. Now, don't forget, when you view these forms on your website, they are auto-responsive. So if you view this on a mobile phone, it will automatically reduce the width. And likewise on a desktop, it will take it up to the size you've specified. Hopefully that helps and enables you to start editing your forms properly. Thanks very much.